Dear students, in the last class we had discussed the chemical properties of ozone. Let us remind the chemical properties as we had discussed in the last class. First property was the thermal stability. Thermal stability. Ozone is unstable and it decomposes slowly to give oxygen. At a high temperature, it immediately decomposes. At a high temperature or at a 200 degrees Celsius, it immediately decomposes into oxygen. So this was the thermal stability of ozone. And second property, chemical property, was oxidizing character. Ozone acts as an oxidizing agent due to its instability because it decomposes to give nascent oxygen. As O3, it gives rise to O2 plus nascent oxygen. Due to the formation of nascent oxygen, it acts as an oxidizing agent. Therefore, it oxidizes the number of substances or number of reducing agents like lead sulfide PPS to PPSO4. Ozone oxidizes lead sulfide to lead sulfate, mercury to mercurous oxide, HCl to chlorine, HCl to chlorine, hydrogen bromide to bromine. It can be written as, this reaction can be written as O3, it first gives rise to nascent oxygen. This nascent oxygen कौन करूची HCl को ऑक्सीडाइज करूची, ऑक्सीडाइज करी कौन दउची H2O प्लस कौन क्लोरीन. Nascent oxygen are cancelled out and the final equation is O3 plus 2 HCl. It gives rise to O2 H2O plus Cl. That means ozone oxidizes HCl to chlorine. जदि हमें नवा hydrogen bromide is oxidized by ozone to give bromine. अब कौन कहिथिले अब कौन पोटेशियम आयोडाइड सॉल्यूशन AI solution is oxidized to iodine. Acidified ferrous sulfate, acidified ferrous sulfate is oxidized to ferric sulfate. So these oxidizing reactions we had studied in the last class. Next, reaction with moist, MOIST, moist sulfur. Ozone oxidizes moist sulfur to sulfuric acid. Moist sulfur to sulfuric acid. This equation can be written as ozone first कौन दउची nascent oxygen, first कौन दबो nascent oxygen. जेतबेले ozone का कांटेक्ट रे आसीबो moist sulfur कांटेक्ट रे आसीबो ozone first कौन दबो nascent oxygen. से nascent oxygen का को ऑक्सीडाइज करिवो moist sulfur to सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड सल्फर प्लस H2O आपको कोन कहती मॉइस्ट सल्फर आपको कोन दबो H प्लस नेसेंट ऑक्सीजन कोन दबो H2SO आपको हमें बैलेंस करिवा एटी धर 3 लिखिवा दिस इक्वेशन रे आटे कोन करिवा मल्टीप्लाई करिवा 3 हला एटा होची धर फाइनल इक्वेशन O3 plus S plus H2O कोन दबो 3O2 plus कोन that means the moist sulfur is oxidized to sulfuric acid. Next oxidizing reaction is reaction with moist iodine. Moist कौन iodine. Ozone oxidizes moist iodine to iodic acid HiO3. In the equation reaction can be written as ozone first gives rise to oxygen, molecular oxygen and nascent oxygen. This nascent oxygen can oxidize karibo iodine in presence of moisture or moist iodine. Iodine plus H2O plus kono plus nascent oxygen it gives rise to HiO. एटा को हम एमती लिखिबा 5 ए इक्वेशन रे हम कोन करिबा इज मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 5 बिफोर कोन 5 तापरे this nascent oxygen are cancelled out and the final equation is 5O3 plus I2 plus H2O gives rise to 5O2 plus 2 HI. Next oxidizing reaction is reaction with stannous chloride SnCl2. Acidified stannous chloride. Only stannous chloride, not only stannous chloride. It is acidified. Ozone oxidizes acidified stannous chloride SnCl2 to stannic chloride SnCl2. SnCl2 plus HCl. SnCl2 plus HCl plus ozone. कौन दबो SnCl4 plus H2O. SnCl2 is oxidized to SnCl4. So stannous chloride is oxidized to stannic chloride. This reaction is different from other reaction. Other reaction रे हमें देखिथिले फाइनल इक्वेशन रे कोन आस्तला oxygen gas is formed, but in this reaction no oxygen is not formed. No oxygen is formed. That means ozone रे जो तीनटा जाक oxygen अछि, all these 3 oxygen atoms are engaged or they participate in oxidation process. So there is no availability of oxygen. All the 3 oxygen atoms participate in oxidation process. So there is no availability of oxygen gas in the final product.